Okay, welcome back to the second video of the series. Today will just be, you know, also I just switched to IMAX. I don't really know what's going on, but let me just switch stuff around here. This is gonna go there, and this Explorer is gonna go back here. This properties. Okay, what's going? Can I just separate this? So let's go. Sorry, guys. Boom. Okay. Oh wow. Can I get this? Okay, no, I give up, bro. Let's keep it as is. Okay. So last time we did our basic framework with our data store and whatnot. So this time we actually gonna make our main menu and our customization and all of that jazz. So for now it'll be kinda empty-ish. So here's how it's gonna work. So we're gonna have this one part. So let's create a part. Boom. And you're going to want to call this main menu camera. So, main menu camera. And add a decal. Okay. And then, okay, finally. You're going to want to set the decal's color to like a black. There's something there. Alright, this is just telling me that this is the way that the camera is going to be pointing. Okay, and we're going to make a little scene where it's moving in 6 different directions. So this is our main menu camera. Then we're going to go. So if we go click 2, I think it is. My goodness, command 2. So let's go duplicate. Hello. Oh goodness, I hate Mac. Duplicate that. You're gonna call this key 1. Duplicate that. Let's move it like over there. I'm gonna name that key 2. We're gonna have 6 keys in total. Then maybe we'll rotate it. So command R. So key 3, and we'll reset this one. Boom. Then from there, what we're gonna do is let's go from key 2, and from key 2 it's gonna stop. Then it's gonna teleport to key 3. From From key 3, let's duplicate this again. Key 4, rotate it again. Key 5. From key 5, we get to key 6. Alright, pretty easy stuff. And we're going to create a folder. We're going to call this main menu. Create another folder inside of here. You're going to want to call this keys. I'm going to select all of these keys. Throw them in there. Then you're going to want to create a folder. Call it cameras. Pretty easy stuff. Also, make sure all your stuff is anchored. So, anchor those, and anchor those. Okay, pretty easy. You don't want that. So now, switch up this. Yeah. All right. Now inside of here, inside of the client, we already have all of this stuff, right? So we don't really need to touch that. We are going to create a module script inside of here. Call this main menu. Okay. And also you can just go class. You're not going to do anything. We're not going to really use this, so just return this. Okay. Boom. So now let's start by specifying everything we need. Okay, boom. There we go. Local. So user input service. Service. User input service. Then we're going to go local run service, which was what I need. Service. Okay. Then from here, we'll go local camera equals workspace. So camera. There I go local current scene equals main menu. And we're going to go local cameras equals workspace.cam. Main menu.cameras. Then we're going to go local keys equals workspace.mainmenu.keys. Then down from there, we're going to go run service. We're going to go render stats connect function. Boom. From there, we're going to go just like that. Camera.cframe equals cameras. Current scene.cframe. Okay, pretty easy shit. I mean, nothing crazy. Because if we hit play right now, let's see. Okay, what happened? Okay, we messed up first. So let's just place our output in this empty document here. Now let's go back to our main menu. Now we have to add dot camera here. So just go so I'm gonna go current scene camera. Good. Now from there we're gonna go local lerp t or local lerp equals 0. We're gonna go if current scene equals main menu, then lerp alpha plus equals 0.1. Then we're gonna go cameras main menu camera dot cframe. We're gonna go back here and we're gonna go local keyframes. Go like so. We only need 3 of these because there's only 6. We're gonna go keys, key 1, keys dot key 2, keys dot key 3, dot key 4, keys dot key 5, keys dot key 6. Boom. Now, and we're gonna go local current key. One, and we're gonna go local key flex, and we're gonna set that to start. And we'll also set that to 1 actually. Okay, so let's go. So cameras main menu camera cframe is equal to keyframes, and we're gonna go current key flex dot cframe lerp, and we're gonna set the goal, which is gonna go keyframes. Actually, we're gonna create a little parentheses here. Okay. So we're gonna go. Sorry. Key flex equals to hashtag key actually no, we'll just do none of that shit. Let's go keyframes current key and key flex dot cframe, and with the alpha being the lerp alpha. Then we're gonna go if lerp alpha is equal to 1, then if cameras main menu camera dot cframe to keyframes current key. Sorry. Now we're gonna go if keyframes current key flex to keyframes current key hashtag keyframes current key. It's getting the length of one of these full rows. Then we're gonna go if current key is less than 3, then we're going to go current key plus equal 1, else current key equals to 1. And we're going to quickly set lerp alpha to set lerp alpha to 0. Let's just see if that works, hopefully. Key 1. Perhaps it hasn't loaded yet. Yep, it hasn't loaded yet. We'll just quickly add a. Let's just reference the character for now. We'll just do repeat task. Sorry. Repeat task. No, wait until hashtag keys get children. Let's play again. Making sure everything's loaded. Boom. Now let's see if it'll actually move. So we're here, but profiles is not available. Where's the class here? Oh, I completely fucked up our data. Okay, that's fine. We will come back. Let's just quickly fix our data source here. Oh, I referenced private twice. Private folder. I just changed this to private folder. Okay, I think that should be fine. Whatever. Now, if current scene is equal to main menu, it is. Oh, no shit. 2. Let's play now. Past value. It went way too fast. We're gonna make it ultra slow that way. Attempt to connect failed. Removing. Just like so. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, boy do I love this shit. Removing. Okay, let's just stop to see what the issue is here. This is making me fucking go insane. Oh. Make sure to remove that from your data source script, by the way, guys. So now, we're really slow, but go ahead and print lib alpha. We're even moving. What's going on? Hello? No, I don't want the shitty GUI. Alright, so the game is thinking it's a double value. That's not good. That's not good, Ed. Where did that article fly? Keyframes, current key. Change that to 1 there. Okay, we're moving. We're moving. Then we go to the next one. Boom. Works perfectly. So, let's go back and we'll start working on our GUI. So we're actually going to create a service for loading in the GUI, just so hackers can't really abuse our GUI system and do stupid shit with it. So, inside of our service storage, we have a little private thing here. Remove that. Create a links module script and call it GUI. Then you're just going to return dictionary. And inside of one of these, we'll have this, another module script, and we'll call it main menu GUI. Just actually going to return you as much as it wants, but for now, we'll just say, inside of our GUI, we're going to say main menu GUI. Those require script dot main menu GUI. Then inside of our data store service, once the player finishes getting added, we're going to go up here and we're going to reference them real quick. So we're going to go, where is it? Local GUI link will require links.gui. Then we're going to go for index and number key, it's going to be a GUI object. In GUI link dot main menu GUI key clone dot parent equals player dot player GUI. Okay, that's all we're going to do. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and start creating our GUI. So we're just going to go here. Boom. We'll call this main menu. Create a little frame. We're going to call this backdrop. And we're just going to set the size to 1. And maybe just like so. Now from here, we're going to create another button, little text button. From there, we will set the anchor point to 0.5, set the position to 0.5, 0, and then we're going to set it to 0.6, 0. It says 0.30, 0.0, 0. Now that's too skinny. 0.10. Maybe 0.13 with a 0.050. That's good. Then inside of here, you can set it to whatever color you want, but I'm gonna probably keep it at white, honestly. So I'm gonna set the color to play. Set the text to play. Right, like this doesn't have to be anything crazy. You guys can always go back and change it. But oh my goodness, I just deleted it. Duplicate that. Then we're gonna go call this one credits. Credits. And set the position to 0.65, I think. Comma 0, make sure that comma is there. Maybe 6.5, 6.8. That works really. Play, credits. I think that's pretty good. And then just add a depth of field effect. And increase. I just like to increase its far intensity. And you don't really want it to focus on anything crazy. With a slight blur. Let's keep it at 12. Yeah, okay, that works. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is from there we'll create a little text label. Call this the logo. And then down here we're going to call this ugly piece. Alright. Now I'm too crazy. Set the position to 0.5, 0.5. Anchor point to 0.5. Size to 0.5, so 0, 0.3, so 0. Set the transparency to 1. You know, make it do whatever you want. You can put it in your own logo if you want. I don't really care. This doesn't really nothing to do with our. We're not really going to be scripting this too much. Just like so. Send that to Balthazar. Alright, and yeah, pretty easy. So for now, let's create another frame inside of our backdrop. Set the anchor point of this frame to 0.5, the size of this frame to 0.2/0, 0.5/0. Set its position to 0.5, 0.5. Maybe let's make it like wire at 0.25. Set the length to 0.78. Boom. Transparent, but add a UI stroke. You guys can just design this however you want, but I'll just show you guys what I do. And I'm going to set it to bevel, increase the thickness to maybe like a 7, really. Boom. And from there, I'm going to call this slots. Boom. Pretty easy shit. And from there, we will just create a UI. So create a scrolling frame. Set this scrolling frame. Let's call it scroll. Set size to 1, transparency to 1. And inside put a UI list layout with a padding of 0, 10, 20, late. And also set the scroll bar thickness to 0. Boom. And let's just create a template one here. So inside of here, one's going to create a frame. 1, 0.1/0, so it'll be our size. Then we're just going to set a little viewport frame, because we're going to show them what their character looks like, you know. So set the size to 0.10 0.5, 0.50, and give it a UI aspect ratio. And set the size to 1 actually. The anchor point at 0.5, set the position at 0.1/0, comma 0.5, 0. Alright, pretty easy. And we're going to create another text label inside there. And then we're going to call this one info. Set the anchor point to 0.5. Set the position to 0.5. And change it to 0.5, 0, 0.8, or sorry, 0.8, 0, 0.5, 0. Maybe instead of 0.8, we'll do 0.6. Set the size to 0.6, 0, 0.6, 0, 1, 0. So then 0.6, maybe like 0.8. I think that's pretty good. And then inside of the label, set text scale to true, make a bold, give it the bold star, and allow rich text. Just like so. I'm going to call this template. Okay, pretty easy. Oh no, this is still going to be called template. The viewport frame is going to be called viewport. Viewport. Boom. And then inside of this module script, create something called slots GUI and throw in. Cool. And make sure slots is visible. And here you're just going to return slots template, full script dot template. Boom. Pretty easy. And you're gonna drag your main menu GUI into here. And you're gonna say main menu equals script.main menu, or just that actually. I think we cloned it, right? Yeah. So we're pretty good here. Now if we hit play, I think the GUI should be there. Yep. Pretty easy, good answer. But it's not functional, and it kind of was kind of nothing to do there. So we'll make it so that once you load in, we're gonna do this on the server. By the way, we're gonna go if key dot name is equal to main menu. Then we're gonna go game.tweetService create. I know this is gonna look kind of ugly to you guys, but don't give a fuck. Key dot backdrop. Sorry, backdrop dot logo. Tweeninfo.new. Let's set like 0.1. We're gonna say its position is equal to key.backdrop.logo.position plus udem2 dot from offset 0 on the x negative 50 on the y. Play. And now let's see if it goes up here. So maybe we gotta make it more drastic. What if we say negative 500? I know why that didn't change. I know why that did not change. Because we gotta go like this, cut that. So command X. Command V dot X. From skill and really big view there. Sorry guys, I know I'm making a lot of mistakes, but I'm kind of just raw on this shit. So yeah. Then we're gonna go key dot backdrop dot logo dot position dot y dot offset minus 0.1. And sorry, that's scale. Should be dot scale, not offset. Boom. Let's see if that works now. Why is nothing happening? Oh. I guess you can't do the GUI tweeting on the server, maybe. Which is perfectly okay. because we'll take this and go Control X or Command X, go like this, go back to our main menu, we're not here. We don't really need scripts no more. Go back into our main menu script, then we're gonna go let's reference the player real quick. So we do have a function called player added. Make sure to fix this stuff. What is it? Let's go player added function player and we're gonna go local player GUI player.player GUI player GUI dot add function child if child dot name menu, then we're gonna go game get service tween service create child dot backdrop dot logo info dot new one position equals udom to dot from skill 0.5 comma 0.4. Okay. And we never played it. Okay. Nice one. Head end. See if that works now. No, it doesn't not work. What if we just get rid of this? Control X. Boom. 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 I'm going to say local player GUI dot main menu. Let's see. It might just not be loading properly. Who knows? Okay, there we go. Finally. Okay. And let's make the buttons look a little better by adding a UI corner on them. It's not going to hurt anyone. We'll make them look less sharp. Command Shift. There. Let's go here. Play. Like so. Now I have these. Alright, pretty easy stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go child.backdrop.play.mouse enter. Sorry, mouse button went up. Connect function. Oh, it's getting long, isn't it? Ooh, 45 minutes is really long. we're just gonna go child dot slots dot visible equals true. Child dot backdrop dot play visible equals false. Dot backdrop dot credits dot visible false. Child dot backdrop dot logo dot visible equals false. Now we're just gonna go dot backdrop. Boom. This is that. I'm actually gonna copy this, paste that there. So, but we're gonna set the position of this to 1.1. Sorry, 0.5/0, 1.1/0. I want to call this one return actually. Just like so. And then we're gonna go child dot slots. Sorry, that backdrop dot slots dot return mouse button one up connect function. Copy this, paste that, false, true, true, true. Okay, pretty easy shit. Alright, and the credits button will have no functionality to it for now. So go ahead and click play. Hit play now. This shows up, and if we want to return, boom, play, return. I know it looks pretty ugly, but let's de-uglify it for a little bit. So I'm just going to set the UI stroke color to be white. And I'll also do that with all the colors. To 1. We'll set this return 1. The size we'll set to 0.3 there. Two. And also play. Okay, that looks a little better. Okay, we're cooking. Now, if we go back to the data source script, what we're going to do is we're going to go for index string data and profile.data do. And we're just going to quickly do if index when is greater than 1, then so this is making sure this is actually a slot. Then we're going to go local slot templates. GUI link. Go back to GUI here. Reference it here. Slot GUI. Those require script.slots GUI. Boom. Go back in here. GUI link. So, slots GUI. Slot template. Clone. Slot template dot name equals index So template.info.text equals. Now get ready. So we're gonna say we're gonna have their name. So we're gonna go like this. Data.first. Last. Backdrop end. Then we're gonna go data dots. Let's see what would their GUI have inside of it. Well, let's go modules. Let's see. Let's say human data.race. Then we're gonna say their fruit and how many bears they have. So, and then the fruit, this, berries, or fruit, or fruit, backdrop n. And finally, we're going to say data.fruit, boom, and is not equal to, sorry. Boom. Now we gotta generate what the player looks like. For now, we won't do that yet, but you know, in the next video we will. So we're just gonna go now. Slot template.parent equals player.player GUI dot main menu dot backdrop dot slots dot scroll. So let's see what that looks like now. So we click play. Ew, that's a little ugly. Just make it a little less thick, you know what I mean? So first off, find our template here. Set the size to 0.05, probably. I think that looks better, honestly. Okay, yeah. And the last thing we'll do is we will just go inside the template, inside the info, go down, remove bold, and then set the X alignment to the left. Alright. Okay. Alright, that's it for today's video. Join my Discord server if you want the files to this video, and yeah, I'll show you guys. We'll do the customization system the next video, as well as adding that character preview to the viewport. Okay, see you.